parts of the world to spot some of the animals that call the rainforest their home. Be sure to press the button in your car that matches the creature when you see it. Here we go! First up is the toucan with its really large yellow beak. Did you press that button? We have to be really quiet so as not to disturb that beautiful panther. Let's go! Look at that beautiful baby elephant! The snake you see is actually very friendly and won't harm you. The creature here is an orangutan. Quickly, press the button. I hear thunder. Let's take shelter in that hut. Oh no! Look at the cheeky monkeys that have raided our camp.
My feet are soaking.
How was that?
The boat is wet anyway, my feet are soaking.
River Rafts, the new ride at Chessington for 2020. The second try. Riders' reaction. Really nice, cute little log flume this. Some really kind of nice beaming as you're kind of going round. Absolutely beautiful. Really is. Got a nice kind of little elephant little bit coming up. Yeah, it's just really nice. You can kind of just see that they've done a really good job of making this area just look transformed, really new. You know, they've done a really good job. It's brilliant. Obviously, it's not just this ride that's going to be open. You've obviously got the other ride open as well, the cars, which we'll go on in a second, and I'll show you around that. And also, obviously, for next year, they'll have the drop tower as well, which is where the old Ramesses Revenge ride was itself. But like I said, absolutely brilliant. Great little kind of log flume for children, and to be fair, adults as well. You know, I'm just 5'11". I can get in here quite comfortably with someone else in here as well. Absolutely brilliant, it really is. Just kind of really nice. They've done a really good job so far. And I think once these kind of start actually growing a little bit more, I think you will kind of it will make it look a lot better in terms of the actual theming and immersiveness as well. So yeah, we're just coming around now. So this bit now is just actually the boat little bit. We're just going to head up to the lift hill now. And what I like about this one is actually get up the lift hill. By the time we get up to the top of the lift hill, you're just literally on a roll of track from there, so you don't stop you or anything like that. I'll go up a little bit. You just literally go straight down into the splash zone. So that's where we're heading up to now, up the lift hill. But yeah, how cute is this little ride really for kids? Absolutely brilliant, really is. You know, if you kind of just want someone to get on it for the first time, Tiger Box is a little bit too much. And I've always said that they're missing something like this, a small little ride, because obviously so many children would want to get on water rides, and that one over there is far too big. Here we go. Better get out. Woo! Oh my God! That wasn't as well. It's a soaker. That is pretty much it. Back into the station now, where they dispatched the two actual rings locked at the time. But is it, guys? I'm going to get off. I'm going to try and get dry now.